In this video, I'm going to show you how to share screen with the Google AI Studio. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to aistudio.google.com, and then over here you want to of course sign into your Google account. And once you've done that, you want to go to Studio up here, and then on the left the second part says Stream. So click on Stream over here, and this will now give you the option to actually share your screen and then basically talk to Gemini live. So to do this, click on Share Screen, and then you'll be able to either select one of your Chrome tabs, one of your current windows in your computer, or your entire screen. Of course, if you have multiple screens, you'll be able to switch between screens and select whichever one you want. But I'm gonna go with my window, actually the live window I'm in right now. You wanna just click on it and then click on Share. And then just like this, as you can see, it's going to say if you want to allow it to use the microphone, you can do that, of course. You can allow it. However, I'm not going to do that right now, so I won't be able to actually talk with my voice and audio with it. And this right now, currently, as you can see, it says stream is live. You can see it over here. You are now sharing your screen with Google AI Studio. Now, you can then just start typing a prompt and go from here whenever, of course, you are sharing your screen. You can hide this down here as well if you want to, or if you want to just stop the share, click on the stop sharing, and over here this is gonna kind of go dark. You want to click on disconnect, and then there we go. You can just clear and start a new stream whenever you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.